takeaway, one of my favorite lessons that my mother has taught me is to make work fun. You're going to work. I mean, that's just part of life. You've got life to do, and work is part of that. So make it fun. An example of this is we used to get wood. That was our source of heat when I was growing up. So into the woods we would go every fall. It was tradition, and it was a lot of work. Dad would saw the wood up, and all of us kids and Mom, we would haul it to the rig we were hauling it home in, and that would be it. And it would be a day event. Mom would make lunch, and we would have a campfire, and it was work, but she taught us to have fun while we worked. So we sang. She also, while Dad was falling a tree, if a dead tree was still standing and it needed fallen to chop up, then she would dance with us. I learned to rumba. I learned to waltz. I learned to do the cha-cha. All these different dances that Mom knew, she taught us while we waited for the tree to fall. So it was fun. And the musicality and the laughter was brought into daily work. So it elevated, instead of just being work, it really elevated it more as an event, something that we could look forward to. It was a play. And I took that with me. I've taken that with me because there's been times I've worked really physically hard and mentally hard. And I noticed that when I can bring a lightness to it, I just bring the intention. For me, it's music. I can sing. I can dance while I'm thinking about stuff, in my office here. And it brings a lightness to it. And it shifts the energy from however work might translate for people. It can have a heavy feeling to, this can be fun. Anything. This can be done with any kind of work. We can bring the lightness in. This raises our vibration. And it just makes life more enjoyable to live.